So this is Trevor. He's my 72-year-old patient. Today we're going to perform the tug test, which is for balance. So what I'm going to have you do for this test is we are going to walk out to this marker, which is measured at 3 meters. We're going to go past it, turn around, and come back, and sit back down as safely but as fastly as possible. That sound good with you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 1 second. Let me grab my timer. Okay, you can go ahead and start whenever you're ready. Okay, we're going to do this 2 more times. So you can take as much time in between as you need, but go ahead and begin whenever you're ready. Okay. Last time, whenever you're ready. Very good.